Hello Elastic community, my name is Anderla and welcome to my short 5-minute presentation on Ansible and how you can use it to perform various system admin functions with only a few key clicks. What is Ansible and why do we use it? Ansible is a tool that's used to manage and maintain various infrastructure components to include Windows, Linux, networking, cloud, and many other technology platforms. It's a great tool to have in your tool belt for a variety of reasons. First and foremost, it has a very low learning curve, which makes it easy to get up and running fast. It uses your standard YAML format, which can be easily interpreted and understood by a wide variety of folks. The second feature is that there are no agents required to use this tool. Simply perform the appropriate OS install, and then you're ready to start connecting to your various systems. Utilizing roles and playbooks can provide mutable infrastructure, which can then be version controlled and set up to integrate with various CI pipelines, if you want. There are two ways in which you can utilize Ansible. The first being a playbook, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's a set of various tasks that are strung together that make up a play, which then can be used to perform a larger task, such as provision, update, or even troubleshoot various infrastructure services. The playbooks utilize various modules, and the one I've used 1,000 times is the URI module. As you can see, the URI performs predefined methods, which can include get, put, post, and can then wait for an expected result to be returned. The example I have shown is usually the first entry in my ES playbooks, which calls out and checks to make sure the cluster is happy before continuing to perform any additional tasks. If the cluster returns a yellow or red state, the task continues to retry and will eventually fail if the response is not returned. Here's an example of a quick put command where you disable cluster routing. This could be done prior to an upgrade or for some other maintenance reason. For example, a complete playbook could look something like wait for a green cluster, turn off routing, patch, reboot, and then upon reboot turn back on routing and ensure the cluster is green, stringing them all together to one complete process. The second way, and the one I've used most frequently, is the adhoc CLI. This is an easy way to get insight into your cluster or make changes on the fly when they are spanned across hundreds or even thousands of nodes. The shell module can run any command that can natively run on the remote OS. And in this example, we're simply checking to see if we have a Kibana process running on any of the infrastructure. As you can see, the results are returned to include the service description, time, PID, service, etc. Another example will see what logical volumes are attached to the instance. By simply running the below command, you can see that both storage devices are attached, and they are part of the appropriate volume group. Again, this can be run against many resources, and within minutes, you could have insight into any underlying issues that may be present. Well, that's all the time I have for this presentation. I hope you take a few minutes to take Ansible for a spin, see just how much of a powerful tool it is. Thank you again, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the conference.